Welcome to the second week of COMM Essential, our online class. So I'm showing you the Canvas site to a little bit help you orient yourself as to what to do. So when you log in into the courses and choose the course, this is the home page that you see. So you have the announcement, and you can see the announcement from this morning. That is the same as the email that I sent you. And then you have here on the left, you have the menu to see who are the other people in the class, the syllabus, the assignments, and your grade. But most importantly is here you have which assignment you have to do by the week. You have here the due dates on them. But also, if you scroll here, you can see contacting me, the grade, the assignment, the syllabus as well. But here are the week, and that's the important part. You have our Google Doc embedded, but you should go into the week. And then week 2, we're going to click on it. You're going to see that I'm going to post the instructional video that I'm just doing now. He's going to be there. And then there is the 3 assignments. So remember, every week starting now, you're going to have 3 assignments. So the assignments will be like class assignments as if we would meet on ground and not online. You have the final paper work, and then you have homework like a regular class. So there's always work, and some of the work, usually 1 and 2, are going to be in with your pair that you need to choose this week. So you need to go back to the first week and see who you want to work with, and also you'll get some emails from me with suggestion. So the content is interpersonal communication, and if you scroll down to the embedded Google Doc, you'll see that this is now the transactional model of communication, the accepted model. That communication, and especially interpersonal communication, is between 2 or more people that are exchanging messages through channels. So each one is encoding the message, and then the other person decode, but it's reciprocal. So the person is a sender and a receiver at the same time. But you need to see that there's also noise that can sometimes misinterpret the message. So in order for us to have a better understanding of what is the message and not have a noise with the partner that you're going to work, we're going to learn about active listening. One of the ways is to watch this video here when you click on it. And it's called It's Not About the Nail. So it's a minute and 41 seconds. Please watch it. It's a funny but very revealing video about when you listen and when you don't listen. So we have the components of active listening, and we have the stages of active listening. And that's what I'm going to ask you to do with your future partner. So let's go over the exercises, which those are the same as those. To look what are the assignments for this week. So the active listening assignment, what you're going to do, you're going to choose a partner. So you need to see from everybody else a partner that you're going to work in the next 7 weeks until the end of the semester to do the research paper and the presentation together. So you'll need to do active listening. So the way you're going to do it, you have here, you have all the 10 stages. You have also the rubric, how I'm going to grade. So you need to create, after you choose which partner, and both of you agree that you're going to work together, you schedule a 5-minute video conference. And there's different ways you can do Skype, you can do Google Hangout, Zoom, GoMeeting, Join Me, and you have the links to each one of those. You need to record the 5-minute conference so I can see what you did. Only one of you can post it. You don't need both of you. You can, your choice. So one will start, and then you explain what is your name, your major, your dream job, what do you want to accomplish with the research paper and presentation about your dream job, and what is the best way to communicate with you. Is it by email, by text, by phone, and when are you available to work online or face-to-face, your choice. So after person A did all of that, then person B, the listener, will memorize. You can write, it's okay. And then what you'll need to do is after that, you'll need to restate what the person said. So do you remember what the person said? And if you write it, that's fine. You can just read what you wrote. It's helping you memorize. Then you switch. And then person B is again saying what's your name, major, dream job, what do you want to accomplish with the research paper, the presentation, and what is the best way to communicate with you. And then person A is repeating that, okay? And then in the last minute, you're discussing how you're going to work together, and then you submit the recording, okay? So remember that you have another assignment with your group by Thursday, so you need to do it as quickly as possible. So this is the first assignment of week 2, the active listening. Then the outline of the paper. So together with your partner, you need to do like a table of content. So basically this is like you're starting to work on a Google document together, both of you, and you're going to share it with me. And you just write those titles and what you're going to put there. So you see here, I'm explaining what on page 1 needs to be, page 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you just specify in one sentence for each one. So you don't write the paper. This is only an outline of the paper. So you write just one sentence for each one of those pages explaining what you want to do so you can get feedback from me. And here's the rubric. And then the last assignment for Thursday is your reading assignment. So when you click on it, you can choose either to read this, the body language guide, or you can watch this video. So if you click here, it's going to download the document, and you answer those 4 questions. You can either record yourself, screencast, or do annotation, however it works for you. Or you can watch the video and then answer those 4 questions. And again, you can record yourself, write it, or do a screencast, however it helps you. And then you have the grading rubric. So those are the 3 assignments for this week. It's a shorter week because of Memorial Day. And if you have any issue, please contact me. There is different ways of contacting me, so make sure you reach out and ask if you don't understand or you want some clarification. I hope you have a great week.